Hi children, welcome to our science class. Children, in this class we are going to see a new chapter. Children, let's see one by one. Children, can you tell me I am a sweetless, I am colorless, I am shapeless, I am orderless, but without me there is no life. Can you tell me who am I? Yes, you are right. I am water. Children, listen. Water is our lifeline. All living things need water to live and grow. So, water is used for drinking, bathing, cooking food, washing clothes, and cleaning. So, water is also used for agriculture and transportation. So, water is home to many living organisms such as fish and plants. Let us study about water. Children, we get water from rain, rivers, lakes, and ponds. These are known as source of water. Let's learn about natural source of water. See, rivers, lakes, ponds, waterfalls, springs, seas, and oceans. These are all natural source of water. Now we are going to see about man-made source of water. See, wells, tube wells, overhead tanks, dams and reservoir. These are all man-made source of water. Children, now we are going to see about different forms of water. Listen, water is a liquid. Water in ponds, rivers, lakes and oceans is in liquid form. The water that comes through the tap in our homes is also the liquid forms of water. When we freeze water, it turns into ice, which is a solid. Snow and frost are the other solid forms of water. When you freeze water, it turns into ice. It is very cold and you can see through it with your eyes. If you boil water, you will see steam cooking out of it. This steam is called water vapor. Water vapor is the gaseous form of water. We can change water vapor back to water. If we place a cool steel plate or lid over boiling water, so see drops of water on the inner surface of the lid. This is because water vapor cool down when they come in contact with the cold surface of the plate or lid and turn back into water. Children, now we are going to learn about properties of water. Listen, let us study about some of the properties of waters. Water is shapeless. Listen, observe the picture. Water in it liquid form change shapes according to the container it is in. Solid form of water has a fixed shape. Ice does not take the shape of the container. It is put into until it's melt and turn back into water. See the picture. Ice does not take the shape of the container. Water takes the shape of the container. See, water is tasteless. Just as water has no shape. It has no taste of its own. When salt is mixed with water, the water turns salty. Listen, when sugar is mixed with water, it turns sweet. Children, listen, water is colorless. Listen, observe the picture. If we put clean water in a transparent container, we can see through it. That means water has no color and is transparent, but it takes the color we add to it. For example, if we add a few drop of blue color to water, it will turn blue. Water changes its shapes. It has no color and taste. Drop it on the floor, it flows. When it changes into ice, it snows. Water takes the blue color. Children, now it's time for homework. Do question number 3, 4 and 6. Page number 27 in workbook. The question is, define the following terms. First one, water vapor. B question, water cycle. Next question, give 3 forms of water along with examples. Next question, what are the different properties of water? Upload your work through Google Classroom app, children. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. We will meet you in the next video. Stay home, stay safe, stay connected, keep learning. Thank you, children.